I literally can't believe that Christmas Day is less than a week away. It just feels so crazy. I am here to share my top tips on how to stay healthy over the holidays because there are things that we can do. Yes, it's a festive time, but it's also not a time to undo all the good work that we have done this year. My name is Wick Nixon from Wick Wellbeing, and I'm all about empowering healthy living for women. Now, I have just put this all out in a newsletter to my audience last night. So if you want this all written down, because I'm just going to briefly go over it today, then just message me your email address and I will send it to you. Okay, so the first one, I've spoken about this before, and this is absolutely number one. I'm going to share four tips with you in the email. I went into six, and I also gave you some six salad ideas to make over the festive season. So, first one, start your day right. Totally forgot what the title was. Start your day right. This is the most important, whether that's at midday, whether that's at breakfast time, whatever time it is during the day. Make sure that that first meal of the day is nutritionally balanced. And what that looks like is that you have got protein, healthy fats, and fiber in there. And what that's going to do is it's going to stabilize your blood sugars. It's going to stabilize your moods. You're going to eat less during the day. You're going to eat healthier during the day. So that is absolutely key, number one. Then number two is you might want to give fasting a go. I have taken my membership through the fasting journey this year, and it's been phenomenal. It has been absolute phenomenal. They've had such fantastic results, and it is amazing to do at midlife around your cycle. And even if you haven't got a cycle, there's ways that you can mimic it. But if you want to give intermittent fasting a go, just push out your breakfast by half an hour. Literally, that's all you've got to do. And then if you're feeling good at that, then just push it out by an hour and just see how it goes. There's a lot more that goes with intermittent fasting, the ins and outs and the do's and don'ts, and that's what I do teach in my membership. But if you want to just dabble, then just start with that pushing out of half an hour. And in the new year, I have got a new guide coming out on how to get started with intermittent fasting for midlife. So you can keep your eyes peeled for that. Okay, number three, this is kind of a given, but then so many people don't. It's stay hydrated. It's so important to be drinking water, especially at this time of year. So just take a water bottle with you everywhere you go. I literally might go and pick up my daughter from school, and I take my water bottle with me. I take it everywhere, and I'm always drinking. The more you drink, the thirstier the more you drink. The less you drink, the less thirsty you get, if that makes sense. But it's really, really important. Um, and another point I've got here is to have a glass of water in between your festive drinks, because your head's going to thank you and your body's going to thank you. Move a little every day. So we all know that exercise is really key. I'm actually someone who, when I go on holiday, I exercise even more because it's I've got more time and it's summer and I feel like getting out there, and that's just how I start my day. And so I really encourage you to not necessarily use the holiday to give up on exercise. You want to actually be just from bringing it all in and doing it more. So those are four tips. I want you to tell me, which of those tips are you going to implement? And if you would like these all written down, then, and I've got a challenge for you, so don't leave, and write them all written down, then send me your new email list and I'll send it out on a newsletter. Now, my challenge for you is to look, have you heard of upgrade? So a friend of mine introduced me to the upgrade concept years ago, actually, and I just absolutely love it. And what it is it's when you are thinking about you're making choices, you can always upgrade. So you might be going out for dinner, and an upgrade would be to take the salad over the chips. Or you might be in the morning, first thing in the morning, you might choose a hot lemon and water instead of coffee and push your coffee out a bit. It might be that you choose to not have your devices in your room and you upgrade them to be charging outside your room. Those are what I call a healthy mindset, healthy living upgrade. So my challenge to you is to make an upgrade choice each day. Do you accept the challenge? What other options? Oh, yeah. It might be that you choose dark chocolate over milk chocolate. That's an upgrade. Or mix your spirits with sparkling water instead of lemonade or, a sugary one. So I would love to know, are you going to accept the challenge, and what sort of upgrade appeals to you? Okay, those are my top tips for today. If you want to get those on email, then just message me your email and I will send them out to you. Okay, see ya.